Hey everybody, Anthony over at Airport Kia here. Today I'm going to show you how to jumpstart the 2026 Kia Sportage. If your key fob is dead along with the car, you want to take the key that comes with the vehicle, place it right underneath this door handle where there's an indent underneath, and you want to pop off this right-hand side piece. Once that's popped off, you want to take the manual key and use it to unlock to gain access into your vehicle. Once you gain access to your vehicle, you want to pop the hood. So what you're going to do is there's a lever on the left-hand side. You're going to locate it and pull this lever and pop the hood. Once you have your hood popped, you're going to want to attach your jumper cables. Take your positive, open the lid, attach your red cable. Once that's attached, take your black for negative, attach it right to the bolt, and now you're ready to jumpstart your vehicle.
Airport Kia, high price, 2 scores.